Hello and welcome to Orgatex. We develop and produce innovative products for visualization and labeling in production, warehousing and logistics, as well as for material supply and material handling. Using our products, your production environment becomes safe, structured and clean. We have been doing this for almost 50 years, made in Germany, so that you can benefit from our Orgatex products for a long time. Today I will be showing you Orgatex floor marking solutions for your company. These are used for quick visual orientation for your employees in all operating areas. Our floor markings identify driving paths, delimit parking spaces, uphold clearances and mark walkways, escape and rescue routes. Are you optimizing your processes or planning new markings? No problem. Just like the gluing, the removal of the Orgatex floor markings takes little effort. It can be done in one piece. Due to the brief gluing time, your production will hardly be compromised at all. The reason? Long drying times, comparable to the application of paint, do not apply. A color guide clearly separates functional areas for faster visual orientation. Our LongLife tape is available in 8 different colors. But sometimes less is more. Make sure you have a well thought out concept. We are happy to help. Generally, our floor markings are suitable for all interior areas of your company. What do you need to do to be able to use it permanently and when it is under high strain? It's very simple. Most importantly, the floor has to be clean, meaning it has to be free of grease and oil. We will show you what is important during the installation. Always make sure the surface is level. Under the plastic floor marking, a high-performance adhesive is applied seamlessly. And the smoother and cleaner the floor, the better and more adherent our self-adhesive LongLife floor marking is. So you should clean the surface thoroughly before any bonding is done. To pre-clean the floor, it is best to use LongLife cleaner, so that the surface is free of dust and oil. You can easily apply our LongLife markers yourself, preferably directly from the dispenser box. First, peel off the backing sheet from the floor markings, and then squeeze the material onto the cleaned surface. Avoid overlaps of markings. It is important that the tape is flat. Leave out joints and cracks. Then it is best to interrupt the marking and restart if necessary. Once the floor marking has been applied to the floor, press it down firmly with the highest possible contact pressure. Let's say you want to mark spaces for pallets. For this purpose, there are pre-formed LongLife symbols, such as L angles, T pieces or longitudinal markings. For specific lettering of spaces, we offer these LongLife transparent signs. You can easily print out the sheets with information such as barcodes and space number on a computer. Due to the special surface, it is possible to quickly scan at any time. The seamless adhesive edge of the transparent labels optimally protects the inserted signs from moisture and contamination. For work areas with very extensive exposure and use, we offer LongLife HD and LongLife Module. For example, in areas where heavy vehicles will frequently be driven over the markings. By the way, Orgatex develops, tests and produces all floor markings in Germany. The best way to get a hands-on experience is to take a look at the Orgatex sample set and test our products. If you have any questions about the Orgatex floor markings, we are happy to help. Thank you for your interest. We look forward to hearing from you.